Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: Office 365 Word and a working microphone. First, confirm Word has microphone permission and your mic input level is audible but not clipping. Next, open the document and place the cursor where you want text. Click Home and then Dictate. The mic icon shows it's listening. Once done, speak clearly, use natural phrases for punctuation, and watch the live text appear so you can correct obvious misheard words immediately. You're in the flow now. Refine how you speak for better accuracy. Make sure the dictate language matches your accent. Use explicit commands like comma, period, and new paragraph so Word inserts punctuation where needed. Favor short, clear phrases and pause briefly between sentences so the engine can process and avoid run-ons. If you need capitalization or symbols, say capital or %. Once you see a pattern of errors, correct one instance and continue. Word adapts as you proceed. Finish by proofreading the dictated text and making targeted edits with the keyboard. That's faster than re-speaking long passages. Save the document and optionally use Review Right Arrow Read aloud to hear how it sounds. If you want a permanent audio record, record voice separately and attach the file. If dictation misbehaves, restart Word, verify audio drivers and permissions, and move the mic 8 inches away from your mouth to reduce plosives. This tip often fixes recognition glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.